Welcome to Create Wealth Hub. Today, I'm thrilled to share how a client, Lucy, made $10,000 in 1 month with affiliate marketing. If you want to know how, then you're in the right place. And be sure to check out the end for free access to a video that could change your life if you want to start an affiliate marketing business. Now let's dive right in. Introducing affiliate marketing. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a fantastic way to make money online, whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time income. Affiliate marketing offers several benefits: low startup costs, flexibility to work from anywhere, and the potential for passive income. Once you set up your system and start generating traffic, your income can grow exponentially. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The first step in her journey was choosing the right niche. This is crucial because you want to promote products that you're passionate about and that have a high potential for sales. For her, she chose the Make Money Online niche because she's always been interested in finding new ways to generate income, and it's a niche with a vast audience. Choosing a niche involves a few key considerations: passion and interest. Pick a niche you are genuinely interested in. It will make the whole process more enjoyable and sustainable. Market demand. Research if there is a demand for products in your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and keyword research tools to gauge interest. Competition. While some competition is healthy, you don't want to enter a niche that is overly saturated. Look for a balance between demand and competition. Step 2. Finding profitable affiliate programs. Next, she researched and joined several affiliate programs. Some of the best ones she found include Amazon Associates, great for a wide range of products; ClickBank, perfect for digital products with high commissions; ShareASale, a good mix of both physical and digital products; LEJ Affiliate, offers a vast network of merchants and high commission rates; Rakuten Marketing, known for its reliability and diverse product offerings; Digistore24, digital product marketplace for affiliate marketing. When choosing an affiliate program, consider the following: commission rates. Higher commissions mean more money per sale. Product relevance. Ensure the products align with your niche and audience interests. Cookie duration. Longer cookie durations give you more time to earn commissions after a user clicks your link. Payout methods. Check how and when the program pays out commissions. Tip. Look for programs that offer high commissions and have products with positive reviews. This increases your chances of making sales. Step 3. Creating a content strategy. Once she had my affiliate program set up, she needed a content strategy. Content is king in affiliate marketing, and providing value to your audience is key. Here's what she did. Blogging. She started a blog where she reviewed products and shared tips on making money online. A YouTube channel. She created videos just like this one to reach a wider audience and build trust with the viewers. Social media. She used platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote her content and engage with followers. Or podcasting. She launched a podcast where she discussed affiliate marketing strategies and interviewed successful marketers. Creating content involves keyword research. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner to find keywords your target audience is searching for. High-quality articles. Write detailed, informative, and engaging articles. Aim for a mix of tutorials, reviews, and listicles. Engaging videos. Create videos that provide value and keep viewers engaged. Use eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles. Social media posts. Share your content regularly on social media. Engage with your followers through comments, likes, and shares. Tip. Focus on creating high-quality content that helps your audience solve a problem or achieve a goal. Step 4. Building an email list. Building an email list was a game changer for her. She offered a free ebook on how to start affiliate marketing in exchange for email addresses. This allowed her to nurture my audience and promote affiliate products directly to them. To build an email list. Lead magnets. Offer something valuable for free, such as an ebook, checklist, or exclusive video. Opt-in forms. Place opt-in forms on your website, blog posts, and landing pages. Use tools like Opt-in Monster or Sumo to create attractive forms. Email marketing service. Use an email marketing service like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber to manage your list and automate your campaigns. Once you have an email list, send regular newsletters with Exclusive content. Share tips, tutorials, and updates that aren't available on your blog or social media. Product recommendations. Promote affiliate products with honest reviews and personal recommendations. Engagement. Encourage subscribers to reply to your emails, participate in surveys, and provide feedback. Tip: use an email marketing service like MailChimp or Avabar to manage your list and automate your campaigns. Step 5. Driving traffic to your content. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Here's how she drove traffic to her content. SEO, search engine optimization. She optimized my blog posts and YouTube videos with relevant keywords to rank higher in search results. Focus on on-page SEO, like title tags, meta descriptions, and keyword density, and off-page SEO, like backlinks. Social media marketing. She shared her content on social media platforms and engaged with her audience to increase visibility. Use relevant hashtags, join niche-specific groups, and collaborate with influencers. Paid advertising. She experimented with Google Ads and Facebook ads to boost traffic to her blog and YouTube channel. Start with a small budget and scale up as you see results. Guest posting. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. Include a link back to your site to drive traffic and improve your SEO. Collaborations. Partner with other content creators for joint projects, such as webinars, live streams, or co-authored blog posts. Tip: consistency is key. Keep creating and sharing valuable content, and the traffic will follow. Step 6. Tracking and optimizing performance. To ensure she was on the right track, she regularly monitored her performance. She used tools like Google Analytics and the analytics dashboards of her affiliate programs to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. This data helped her understand what was working and what needed improvement. Key metrics to track include traffic sources. Understand where your traffic is coming from, e.g., search engines, social media, referrals. Click-through rate, CTR. Measure how many people click your affiliate links. Conversion rate. Track the percentage of clicks that result in sales. Earnings per click, EPC. Calculate your average earnings for each click on your affiliate links. Return on investment, ROI. Evaluate the profitability of your paid advertising campaigns. Tip: don't be afraid to tweak your strategy based on your performance data. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. Step 7. Scaling up. Once she started seeing consistent results, she focused on scaling up her efforts. She reinvested some of her earnings into more paid advertising and outsourced tasks like content creation and social media management. This allowed her to focus on strategy and growth. Ways to scale up. Hire freelancers. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find writers, designers, and virtual assistants. Expand content. Increase the frequency and variety of your content. Explore new formats like webinars, courses, or membership sites. Automate processes. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks such as social media scheduling, Hootsuite Buffer, and email marketing, MailChimp Auber. Invest in tools. Upgrade to premium tools for keyword research, SEO, and analytics to gain deeper insights and improve efficiency. Tip: scaling up doesn't mean you have to do everything yourself. Delegate tasks and leverage tools to streamline your workflow, sharing her results. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, her results. By following these steps, she was able to make $10,000 in just 1 month. Here's a breakdown of her earnings. Blog, $4,000 from product reviews and affiliate links. YouTube channel, $3,000 from video descriptions and sponsored content. Email marketing, $2,000 from promoting affiliate products to her email list. Social media, $1,000 from direct affiliate links in posts and stories. These results didn't happen overnight. It took dedication, hard work, and a lot of learning, but it was absolutely worth it. And there you have it. That's how she made $10,000 in 1 month with affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Create Wealth Hub for more tips on making money online. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take risks. You've got this. If you have any questions or need further guidance, leave a comment below or join our community for more personalized support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources and to join our email list for exclusive tips and updates. See you next time on Create Wealth Hub.